name is David from DKBrickStudios, and today I'm going to be showing you how to be building the Han Solo speeder from Han Solo, a Star Wars story. So, yeah, let's give you a quick look around the entire speeder and look and go into the tutorial. But before we do any of that, please give this video a like, give this video a share, and please consider subscribing. We're going to be doing a bunch of Solo stuff before and after the movie. This is going to be a wonderful journey. And plus, after we do a bunch of Solo, there'll be a bunch more Star Wars on the channel. So please consider subscribing. Also turning on notifications. Please check out my links in the description down below for my friend's novel and my socials. And my friend's novel is a pretty good novel. I would highly recommend checking it out if you would like a really good sci-fi novel. So yeah, but that's pretty much it. So yeah, without further ado, take a quick look at this model. Here's the front view, the back view, the left view, the right view, the bottom view, and the top view. So, without further ado, let's get started. If you want to know more about this model, please go check out my Build Talk video on how I built this model, where I have a panel I play a panel from my journey to AwesomeCon. The name almost escaped me, and where you can see all of that. That is a wonderful journey. That was a wonderful experience, and my mock spotlight too. I'll card those when those are out. So yeah, we'll get to this. Shall we? Alrighty. So first, let's know what the first step is. Step 1: we're gonna need a 4x8 and a 1x4. Plate 4x8. And not a 1x3, but a 1x1. Now we're going to need these angular plates and some ski plates. So we're going to go to modified plate. Okay, I probably passed it. Yes, I did. Won't be not the first time, definitely won't be the last. Now we'll need a transparent white transclear. Oh, I should say this: if you can't do it in dark blue, please don't stress. You can do this in a blue. Just do this in a regular blue. We're just gonna add these on here. So there's nothing to worry about, right? Forgot to mention at the beginning, but hey. Okay, so we're doing that now. We're adding the front. And we need a grill plate. Okay, and one more piece. Here we go. If you can't use this piece, grab just a regular plate, like regular tile. Okay, now we just gotta add some stuff onto the top of this section. We gotta add a 2x4, a black 1x1, 2x4, I mean, tile, and the same thing but in white. So there you go. That is how that should look for now. I'll be adding some modified bricks. Be attaching 2 of these here. And we're going to be doing these in black, dark blue as well. Definitely need this, put this here. This and put this here. Now, next step, which will be, we're going to need to add all these onto here, onto the model. So yeah, now we'll need a 1x3. One by 2, black, and a 1x3. Some white. So this will be going here. A 1x4 will go here. This will go here. And that'll go here. Like so. That's what you want. Now we'll be continuing on doing this side. This will go here. We'll need not that. This will go here, and this can just go here. Like so. Now we just gotta add a couple more of these. Right here, like so. Now we're adding the spoiler section of the speeder. And we're going to add another plate. Two 1x1s are making that circular section. We'll be needing a 1x1, a 1x3, and I know how we're going to finish it up, a 1x2 and a 1x3 on top. Now that is your spoiler. If you have any questions about that, just so you know, it is going to be a bit loose, but don't worry. How that's built, it won't be as much. Ah, man. Now we're just building stuff on the back. We're just copying what we have on the front. Well, partially on the front, but on the back. You'll need it looking somewhere like that, along with this. Yeah. Now we'll need a gray 1x4. This as well. Plus these as well. Because I know where we're going next. And I'll just add that bit as well. Some circular pink, dark pink, transparent. Well, if you can't do that, do any studs you want, color studs you want. I would recommend dark red. That would be the closest. So yeah. we need to attach a 1x4 to here. And a 2x4 on the front. Now we are doing essentially the little cockpit section. You can pretty much just leave a section. You can just keep the one section empty and just have it as a little thing for your character, as like a microfighter. There's that. Now we're gonna need some tan pieces. Now you don't really need any tan. You don't want to, if you prefer. Now you don't really. Let me just make sure I'm putting this in right. Yeah. You can just take these two tan pieces out, or put them in or reverse these two tan pieces and use them as like a thing for your characters to sit in. I think that would be better if you want, so that way you can have them as like a microfighter. This can be a microfighter, folks. A microfighter version of Han Solo's speeder. Myself. I made this myself. This was by accident, but I'm kind of glad that I'm kind of amazed by that, you know? And something like that happened by accident, you know? This one. What the heck? Oh, wait. Here and here. Right? Wrong way. Here and here. Now we're going to need some tile. Don't worry, we are almost done. Need a 1x3, a 1x4, two 1x2s, a 1x2, two 1x1s, followed up by these. I just skipped a couple of steps, but hey, you know what? Jumped the gun a bit, but hey, you know what? There you go. Han Solo's speeder from Solo, a Star Wars story. So yeah, hope you guys all enjoyed the tutorial. I know I enjoyed making this for you guys, so please remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe and turn on notifications. That'd be greatly appreciated. And check out all my links in the description down below. You'll be linked to all my socials and my friend's novel. Link to that. It was also in the description down below. And yeah, that's basically it. So yeah, this is Damien from DKBrickStudios signing off. And remember, may the force and the force of others be with you always. I'll see you all in the next video.
Birds of a feather, well weathered together, chasing the dark from the night. Trust in your feelings and find a new hope. Take your best shot and let go.